This Century 21 Dean Gilbert Realtors property video is presented by Bill Westhoff. Brick duplex with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and 950 square feet. Central heat and air, fenced yard, room for full-size washer and dryer. Kitchen has cooktop, oven and dishwasher. Yard maintenance included in the rent. Convenient location with easy access to Highway 75. Application required, $30 application fee, $800 rent, $800 security deposit. Ready for quick move-in. No pets allowed. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill Westhoff at 214-207-1436.